Students, now I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary examination question paper number 120. So see, first 5 questions I am reading the instructions. In each of the following questions there are 4 sentences or parts of sentences that form a paragraph. Identify the sentence or parts of sentence that are correct in terms of grammar. Okay. A, B, C, D. 4 sentences are given. We have to find out the grammatically correct part. Sometimes we think we are only the people. We are the only people correct. We are only the people. We are the only people with problems. Okay. Our problems override other considerations. We can't think beyond our own vexations. Correct. When we see a small dampness on our wall, comma, dampness singular, we scurry to get them, error. Dampness singular, no, we don't use them. It should be it. So, error. But we don't think of people whose homes have been washed away. Okay, error. Error. Okay, we can say this part, but we don't think of people whose homes have been washed away by the range of the rain gods. Okay, correct. B and D correct. B and D. Where are they? Option 2 correct. Second sentence is Chen Xiaoping repeated again, error. Verbs like repeat, revise, refund, return, they don't take adverb, error. About anti-Japan protests getting violent and added charge angry youth, correct. Sentence correctly given. For this, she was sentenced to. The verb sentence takes preposition to. Twitter is banned in China, but it's easy to use blocked sites with a simple internet tricks. Correct. B and D. Correct. Option 4. Next sentence. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is Guide of Marine litter in the central North Pacific Ocean. The patch extends over a very wide area with estimates ranging from area, the size of ranging from area. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is Guide of Marine litter in the central North Pacific Ocean. Not litter, it should be present participle littering. Error. The patch extends over a very wide area with estimates ranging from area. The size of the state of Texas to one larger than, correct. Larger compared to degree takes conjunction than. However, the exact size is unknown. Let us see B. The patch extends over, wrong. Extends to, correct. So 1 is wrong, B is wrong, B is wrong, C is wrong, only D correct. Yes, option 4 correct. Next, at media agency, Mindshares Mumbai office, yes, this part is correct. Sits a team, team collective noun singular, we add S to the present verb. Sits a team of 93 individuals whose only focus is on. The focus takes preposition on. In fact, this unit occupies an area the size of most sized agencies. Here, noun in plural number, agencies in this country. So then, where is only A correct? Next, one of the classroom exercises, one of always takes plural noun. At IIMI is taken from Kurukshetra war. Kurukshetra war. I ask a student to be Kunti, other to be Karna. I ask a student to be Kunti, other to be Karna. Kunti has to persuade Karna to leave Duryodhana and join the Pandavas. Okay. Only one is error. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. A, B, C correct. None of the above. Question number 6. Yes, this is a passage. This is a exercise on close test. See students, I am reading. This year's G20 summit in Hamburg promises to be among the more interesting in recent years. For one thing, US President, Donald Trump, who treats bilateralism. Bilateralism means it always happens between two. But here, G20 summit. So many countries participate now. Bilateralism is error. Let us see the options given. Esteem means passion, favor, support. Multilateralism, correct. Aloofness means distance, far away. So what is our answer? Multilateralism. That means many countries participation. Okay, option 3 is correct. Next question. Let us continue. Who treats an international cooperation with a cherished sympathy? Sympathy, noun is given. Cherished sympathy. Let us see the options. What are the options given? Sympathy, impassivity, regard, flattery. Flattery means false praise. Regard means respect. Disdain, right answer. Disdain means not eligible. Disdain, not eligible. So cherished, disdain, right answer. And the next question is cherished disdain will be attending for the first time. Trump comes to Hamburg having already walked out of one of the key commitments from last year's summit to join the Paris Climate Agreement as soon as possible. And he will not have much blank enthusiasm, much adjective, enthusiasm, noun. But let us see the options. Let us see the options. Much unresponsiveness. So question number 8. Impassiveness, no. Distance, no. Insouciance, that means no. No worry, not worry. Happy, happiness. Callousness, rigidity. Hardness, rigidity, no correction. So the word given here is correct. What is given in the passage? Enthusiasm. That word itself is correct. Much enthusiasm for these meetings. Habitual exhortation to forswear protectionism or provide greater assistance to refugees. Moreover, the Hamburg summit follows 2 G20 annual meetings in authoritarian countries. Turkey in 2015, China in 2016, where protests could be stifled. This year's summit promises to be an occasion for raucous trade. Okay, that is. Next, G20 has its origins in two ideas. One, peripheral, and peripheral means outside. Outside, when there is a boundary, beyond the boundary it is called peripheral. Let us see the ninth, let us see the options. Peripheral is given. What are the options given? Unresponsiveness, relevant, detachment, emotionless. Yes, relevant is correct. Relevant means related, connected. Okay. So, and important. The other false and distracting. The relevant and important idea is that developing and emerging market economies such as Brazil, India, Indonesia, South Africa, and China have become too significant to be excluded from discussions about global governance. Why the G7 has not been replaced? Its last summit was held in May in Sicily. G20 meetings are an occasion to expand and broaden the blank. What is given here? Trifling. Trifling means unimportant. Now see the options. Dialogue, right answer. Dialogue is right answer. Immaterial, extraneous. What is the meaning of extraneous? Connected, related, tangential. So option dialogue is right answer here, because the article the is given. After article we require noun form. The G20 was created in 1999 in the wake of the Asian financial crisis. Developed countries initially treated it as an blank forum. Forum is noun form. We require adjective. Let us see the options. What are the options given? Unrelated, inapplicable, inapt, trivial. Unrelated, not correct. Inapplicable, that means not applicable. Inapt, not suitable. Trivial, unimportant. The word given here is correct. Outreach. Would help developing economies raise the financial monetary management to the developed world's standard. Over time, developing countries found their own voice, have played a larger role in blank. Derelict is given. Derelict means in a poor condition, in a dilapidated condition. Derelict. Options: inapposite, unimportant, negligible, crafting, correct. Crafting means skillful. The group's agenda. In any case, in the 2008 global financial crisis emanating from the United States, the subsequent Eurozone debacle made a blank. What is given? Tumble down. Tumble down means turn down. Turn down. Options. Derelict, that means poor condition. Insignificant, not important. Superficial, mockery, right answer. Mockery means ridicule. We have article before blank, a mockery, noun form of the idea. Okay. The second less useful idea underpinning the G20 is that solving the pressing problems of the world economy requires even more blank. More. After more, what do we require? Adjective. Intense. More dilapidated. Dilapidated means ruined, collapsed. Tumble down. Ramshackle means fall down. Above board means honest. This is idiomatic expression. So intense is right. The word given in the passage is correct. Next. Global level. The analogy frequently invoked is that the world economy is a global commons. Either all countries do their share to contribute and keep, or they will also suffer the blank causes. We require noun here. Causes not correct. Reasons not correct. Consequences correct. Consequences means no negative result. Derelict, dilapidation. We have already these words. So this is a closed test. Next, what do we have? Rearrangement of sentences. Rearrangement of sentences. Let us identify the first word of each line. Their pronouns. They are called introductory subject. If conjunction. We pronoun. As teachers, our machine is not okay. So let us begin with the subject. As teachers say something here. Our mission is not just to transmit knowledge, but to help create a worthy, beautiful human race. Teachers say. What do they say? They say that it is not only, their duty is not only giving knowledge, but also creating worthy, beautiful human race. So this is considered first sentence. First sentence. What do other teachers further say? We know that children, the students of today, have a lot of suffering. Teachers say. What do teachers say? It is their duty not only giving knowledge but also creating wonderful human beings. And teachers further say they know students of today have a lot of sufferings. Sufferings. Next, there is a loneliness, a kind of vacuum in the child. Child tries to fill up this emptiness with the video games, movies, television, food, drugs. This can be considered third. What do teachers say about student? There is emptiness among students. So in order to fill up that emptiness vacuum, what do children do? They watch video games. They play video games. They watch movies. They watch television, and they are addicted to drugs also. And we, as teachers, have difficulties to. Here, teachers further say they too have difficulties. What are the difficulties of teachers? There is an of suffering in young people. This makes the work of teaching more difficult. As students in the classroom suffer, it is very difficult to the teacher to teach them. That is the difficulty. And if we teachers along with our colleagues are not happy, how can we expect children to be happy? If teacher himself is not happy, how can he expect happiness from children? This is the passage. What do teachers say here? Teachers say that in the first sentence F, they say what is their duty, and what are the sufferings of the children, and how do children face the suffering, and student teachers to have difficulties, and in sentence B, what are the difficulties of teachers, and this is the last. The order here is F first sentence, E second sentence, A third sentence, D fourth sentence, B fifth sentence, C last sentence. Next we have reading comprehension here. First let us see the questions first. According to passage, okay, this is a direct question from the passage. Other things that people have assumed erroneously, yes, of course, it is also a direct question. Which of the following statements correct according to passage? Direct question. Which of the following is wrong according to passage? Direct question. People are always confused when mothers do not confirm. Direct question. Yes, it is a question on vocabulary. Yes, again a question on vocabulary. And again we have a question on vocabulary. Again a question on vocabulary. And a question on vocabulary. So we have 5 direct questions and 5 questions on vocabulary. See students, I am reading the passage. Let us see what is this passage about. It seems it is a big passage. Yes, a very big passage. Yes, a long-standing perspective on modernity that a march toward it would lead progressively to lessening of religious and related affiliations has been discredited over a period of time. Modern technologies such as television feed growing religious appetites. For example, even a product of the information revolution, the internet is used to hunt for marriage partners of a given caste. Modern electoral politics is all about utilizing identities that predate this modernity for political gain. We have too easily assumed a linear narrative for modernity, even more so if we clearly observe that it consists of bits and pieces from different historical periods, that it unfolds in a circular rather than linear manner. It frequently goes back to the past and incorporate, that means organize, get together, gather, work together, assemble, incorporates elements from long forgotten eras into unifolding present. We have assumed erroneously that we know what modernity is, thereby confusing its present character with what we wish it to be. Confusing a wish with the reality on the ground might well be called the great Nehruvian conceit. We are all part of this. There are several religious events unfolding currently in front of us. It is important to understand these because they provide clues about the kind of circular modernity we have and about the meaning of Indian life itself. One of these is the apparent scandal over Radhe Ma, the Mumbai based so called good woman. According to media reports, various photos and video clips currently in circulation, Radhe Ma dances to film songs, dresses like a Bollywood starlet, considers her gestures toward her devotees as similar to that of a mother sharing her love with her children. There have been protests that she is not genuine in her saintliness, has brought disrepute to spirituality. Lawyers, politicians, actors, self-defined celebrities, and various religious figures have weighed in describing her as a religious fake, as a religious fake. And someone out to exploit a gullible public. Gullible means accept. People usually accept, they don't object. Fooled by faith was one of the headlines carried by a TV channel. All through this, Radhema smiled beautifully, moved into luxury vehicles with a model like aplomb, and wandered through our media landscape with a mini trishul raised like a wand. Model like aplomb. So acceptable. Aplomb means no convincing, acceptable. Radhima's public appearance are not dissimilar to those of Barbie dolls with the star wands that have been part. Okay, student, this passage is about spirituality. Okay, what does Radhema actually do that is not really part of? Ostentatious means quick, respond quickly, and we have one more word, disconcerting, not planned, without any plan. Okay, let us go to the questions. According to the passage, what would be the title? What would be the title of it? Let us see options. Spirituality, Bollywood style. New God woman, self-proclaimed goddess. Ostentation of spirituality. Option 1 is correct. Spirituality, Bollywood style. Next question is, why other things that people have assumed erroneously that they know what modernity is? Because there are several religious events? No. Because confusing its present character? No. Because high-tech enterprise that explains the common man's attraction? No. Because results tell us a great deal both about of modern ideas of spirituality and about the seamless incorporation of belief into functions transnational markets and commerce. Because there are several religious events unfolding, because confusing its present character with what we wish it to be. Let us see why other things people have assumed erroneously that they know what modernity is. Because confusing its present character with what, sorry students, this is right answer. Because confusing its present character with what we wish it to be. Second one is correct. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Even a product of the information revolution, the internet is used to hunt for marriage partners of given caste. Results tell us great deal both about modern ideas of spirituality, about the seamless incorporation of spiritual beliefs. We are happy participants in the process where spirituality, market become diverse. Okay. Even, okay, results tell us great deal both about modern idea. Yes, correct. A and B. Option 3 correct. Which of the following are wrong? Wrong. Radhema public appearances are not dissimilar. Yes, wrong. We are always confused when mother do not conform to our perceptions. Yes, wrong. The past is still with us, furiously and vigorously intruding our present. Wrong. Yes, all of the above. All the three are wrong statements. People are always confused when mothers do not conform to our perceptions. Because Radhema public appearance are not dissimilar to those. We are particularly hostile. Hostile means anti, against. Because we clearly observe that it consists of bits and pieces from different historical periods, that it unfolds in a circular rather than it has been modulated to fit into our present and has become an integral part of our world. It is Adema, no, because we are particularly hostile, no. We clearly observe that it consists of bits and pieces from different historical periods. It has been modulated to fit into our present and has become an integral part, correct. Fourth option is correct. Next, opposite, we have to find out the opposite word to ostentatious. Ostentatious means quickly. Quickly, yes. What is this? Flamboyancy means attraction. Carrot means parody. Parody. Orate means name of a color, gold. Unpretentious, correct. Ostentatious, opposite word is unpretentious. Gullible. Gullible. We are asked opposite word, no. Exploitable, no. Susceptible, no. Unwary, no. Sophisticated, right. Opposite word to gullible. Next, disconcerting. Disconcerting, we are asked a similar word, a state of confusion, indecisive. Embolden, embolden means decorative. Encourage, embracing, right answer. Embrace means. And entourage means gather. Not correct. Option 3 is correct. Aplomb. We are asked to find out aplomb. Aplomb means no, a kind of acceptance, that is composure, right answer. Hesitation, disturbance. Perturbation, disturbance. Disapproval, disagree. Option 1 is correct. So what is the meaning of incorporate? Entangle, no. Segregate means separate. Differentiate, integrate, right answer. So this is today's paper, dear students. We shall meet again.